In this video, we'll show you how to optimize Folk CRM for large teams, giving you actionable tips and strategies that'll help you get the most out of this powerful platform. Whether you're a manager or part of a larger sales team, understanding how to effectively use Folk CRM can streamline communication and improve collaboration within your organization. Folk CRM is a flexible, intuitive tool that makes managing relationships easier, but when you're working with a large team, you need to take a strategic approach to ensure smooth workflows. The first thing to focus on is customizing your team's roles and permissions. Folk allows you to assign specific roles and customize permissions for each team member. This helps ensure that everyone has access to the data they need without overwhelming them with irrelevant information. The system is easy to set up, but it can be incredibly powerful when tailored to the structure of your team. Integrating your other tools is another step to maximize Folk CRM's potential. Folk supports integrations with key platforms such as Gmail, Google Calendar, and Zapier. By connecting your other tools, you can automate data flow and create a seamless experience for your team. For instance, you can automate email syncing to ensure that all conversations are recorded directly in the CRM, or set up workflows using Zapier to automatically update contact information or task assignments based on external actions. A key to optimizing Folk CRM is segmenting your contacts effectively. You'll want to organize your contacts into distinct groups that make sense for your team's needs. Folk allows you to tag, label, and categorize contacts in a way that makes it easy for each team member to find the information they need. Whether you're grouping contacts by deal stage, priority, or customer type, segmentation ensures that your team is always working with the most relevant data. Another strategy to boost efficiency is automating repetitive tasks. Folk CRM offers automation tools that allow you to trigger actions based on specific events. For example, you can automatically assign tasks to team members when certain conditions are met, or send follow-up emails without having to manually do it each time. This reduces the workload for your team and frees up time to focus on higher value activities. It's also important to keep track of team performance and goals. Folk CRM offers customizable dashboards that allow you to view key metrics and track how your team is performing in real time. You can monitor individual progress, check on team goals, and identify any areas where adjustments are needed. Using data-driven insights helps ensure that your team stays on track and focused on what matters most. Lastly, collaboration is key. Folk makes it easy for team members to collaborate in real time. Whether you're sharing notes, leaving comments, or updating contact information, Folk ensures everyone stays on the same page. By fostering a collaborative environment within the CRM, you'll avoid silos and ensure that important information isn't lost between team members. To wrap up, optimizing Folk CRM for large teams requires a few simple yet powerful steps: customizing roles, integrating with other tools, segmenting contacts, automating tasks, tracking performance, and encouraging collaboration. By following these steps, you'll unlock the full potential of Folk CRM and help your team operate more efficiently. If you're new to Folk CRM, I want to let you know that you can use this software for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. This extended free trial is the perfect way to experience all of the CRM's features without any commitment. So don't wait, take your large team's productivity to the next level by optimizing Folk CRM today.